Hi, I'm Diana. I'm super excited because I just got this electric spin scrubber and mop in return for this video. It does two things, not just mopping, but scrubbing. So I'm going to go over some of the features, show it in action, and then you can decide if this is something that you would like as well. Here is everything you will get with this mop. This is super important. Since it is cordless, it needs a Milwaukee M18 battery. If you don't have one, you will need one along with a charging base. It's got 3 speed settings, and let me tell you that 800 RPM mode, it's like having a tiny tornado clean your floors. But don't worry, it's gentle enough for hardwood too. The built-in water sprayer is a game changer. You don't have to carry a separate spray bottle or slosh water around. Just fill the clear tank, press the button, and it sprays evenly while you mop. It's self-propelled, so it practically moves itself and is not heavy at all. The head tilts to get under furniture or into tight corners, or a bit like behind the toilet or under the tub lip. You use the handle to help steer it. This is also great for cleaning grout. Plus the LED light on the front, it's surprisingly handy. I found dust bunnies under the couch I didn't even know existed. It is not just a floor mop. You can attach the included brushes and use this like you would an electric scrubber. Cleanup is easy too. The mop pads pop off and go straight into the wash. And I love that you get 2 different devices in one for cleaning your home thoroughly. You know, the only bad thing about this is that I used to be able to count cleaning my house as a physical workout. Now it's more fun, less of a workout. It's just, this is a great tool. It's going to take some of that grind out of cleaning. So if you're looking for a great mop combo setup, definitely check this one out.